how to buy Wen Lambo financial token on Uniswap version 3. Now, this token came under the symbol of WLFI. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you found on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check their account and keep following the updates about this token, and not forget to check their community too. Now, after that, what you need to do, as you can see, this token is available on CoinMarketCap. So to be able to buy this token, what you need to do is just open a new window and type Uniswap version 3, as you can see, and now access to the official website of Uniswap. Now, what you need to do after that, as you can see, so wait a few seconds to load this page. Now, first of all, what you need to do, just connect your wallet. Now click on connect, as you can see, and now click on other wallets. Now after that, select your wallet that you want to buy with. For example, I will use the Bitget wallet for that. Now after that, I will just log in to my wallet to be able to connect it to Uniswap. Now click on connect. So after you connect your wallet to Uniswap version 3, what you need to do is, if you don't find your token here in the bottom, just go back to CoinMarketCap to this token page, and now go here on the contract and now copy the token address. As you can see, this token address is under the Ethereum network. Now go back to Uniswap version 3 and now click here on select token, and make sure to click here and select the Ethereum network, as you can see. After that, you can paste the token address in the search bar, and as you can see, this also now click on it, and now click on don't show me this warning again, and now continue. And after that, as you can see, you will be able to find your token here. Now from the top, you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDC, the USDT Tether, as you can see, for example, this. And now you can type how much you want to buy like that. And here you will be able to see how much you receive that token, as you can see. And now, as you can see here, click on swap, and a pop-up will be appearing here from your wallet to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy WLFI token on Uniswap version 3. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.